Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to learn about different expressions to talk about your free time. How do you pass your free time? What are the expressions you can use to express your free time activity? Talking about free time activity is one of the first things we learn to do in a language. Different expressions and idioms are used to talk about what we do in our free time in English. Number 1, hang out. Hang out at a mall. Hang out is a phrasal verb. When friends hang out, it means they are relaxing and having fun together. Shopping mall or theatre are perfect places to hang out. So, hang out means you are going out and relaxing and having fun with your friends. Number 2, paint the town red. Paint the town red. What does it mean? Weekend is a perfect time to party. Go out with your friends and paint the town red. Painting the town red means to have a fun-filled night out. Going out at night time and spend time with your friends. This is called paint the town red. Number 3, catch a flick. Catch a flick. Catch a flick means to watch movie. If your friends ask you to catch a flick, they are asking you to watch a movie with them. So, catch a flick means watching a movie with your friends. Number 4, keep it low key. Keep it low key. This is the opposite of going out and painting the town red. Painting the town red means going out and spending time with your friends at night. Keeping it low is the just opposite of painting the town red. It means planning a relaxing, quiet night at home with a small group of friends. You are spending the night at home with a small group of friends. It's called keep it low key. In this video, we have discussed 4 different phrases that is used to express how do you spend your free time. Hope you like this video. If you find this video is informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.